Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulihil Kareem. Amma ba'ad, fa'uzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamim bil khair wa bika nasta'in. Ya Fattahu, Ya Fattahu, Ya Fattah. Allahumma faqihna fid din. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. With this video, Alhamdulillah, we are going to start our grammar course. We are going to learn Arabic grammar, and Arabic grammar is called Nahv. This is science of Nahv that we are going to learn. And in this lesson, the first lesson, you are going to learn the kinds of words in Arabic. Okay, so how many types of words or kinds of words are there in Arabic? So this lesson is about that. So as you all know, words are basic building blocks of a language, and when words combine, they form a sentence. And sentence is the basic unit of a meaningful speech. So if you can say that letters combine to form words, then words combine to form sentences, and sentences gather up to form paragraphs or meaningful content. So in Arabic, a word is called kalima. Okay, the word is called kalima. Let me highlight important things. In Arabic, a word is called kalima, and the sentence is called jumla. Okay, so and there are only 3 kinds of words in Arabic. In English grammar, you might have heard that there are parts of speech. So the types of words in English are called parts of speech. So you can say, like in Arabic, there are only 3 types of words, 3 kinds of words. So parts of speech in Arabic are only 3. So far, so good? Okay. So what are those 3 words, 3 kalima in Arabic language? These are ism, fail, and harf. So just memorize, say it with me, ism, fail, and harf. Okay? 3 types of words. What are they? Like, what is an ism, what is a fail, and what is harf? Okay? So let's see it. And ism is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. And in Arabic, the ism also include any idea. So any idea or even an adjective is ism in Arabic. Okay? And when you say I was walking slowly, or something happened quickly, so slowly, quickly, these are adverb in English. But in Arabic, adverb is also an ism. Adverb is the detail about an action. So adverb is also an ism in Arabic. And there are pronouns he, she, it, you, I, they, we, something like that. So these pronouns are also called ism in Arabic. Okay. So what is an ism? Ism is a big, large group of words in Arabic. So in ism, what is there? Like name of a person, place, animal, or thing. This is the noun in English, right? So in ism, you have what you call noun in English. So noun is called ism in Arabic, but pronouns are also included in the category of ism. Okay, so pronouns are also categorized as ism, even adjective and adverbs also, and idea also. Idea like democracy is an idea, or peace. You cannot touch or see peace. So peace is an idea, or prosperity is an idea. So there's something which is intangible. So ideas are also ism in Arabic. Okay, then fail. What is fail? The second type of word in Arabic is fail. Fail is a word that describes an action happening at a particular time. So if a word is telling you what action is being, what action is happening in the sentence, and the same word tells you a particular time also, then it's a fail. So in Arabic, there has to be the name of the action, and that action is happening at a particular time. Then we can say that this word is a fail. Okay, like he ate. So ate is a fail. Why? Because the action happened in the past. So time is also mentioned when you say ate. Then time is also there, the past tense. To eat is not a fail, because to eat doesn't tell you when the action is happening, when someone is eating. To eat is not a fail. Okay, the same way he is going. The action is happening in the present. So time is also there and action also there. Has accomplished. The action is already done in near past. Okay, so fail is action plus time, and ism includes noun, pronoun, adjective, ideas, and adverb. Okay, now the third category of word, which is called harf. Harf, a word that needs another word to make complete sense. So harf are those words in Arabic. They don't they don't make complete sense. They need other words to make sense. Like at something is at. So you have to say like cat is sitting at the sofa. So you need cat, sitting, sofa, everything to make sense. So at itself doesn't make sense. The same way upon, beneath, if, these type of words are called harf. And there are very different types of harf in Arabic. But mainly what you learn is that there are three different types of words: ism, fail, and harf. Fail is the word that tells you action and plus time. Ism tells you who, when, what, like person, place, animal, thing, when, these kind of informations. And then harf is a word that doesn't make complete sense. It needs another word to make sense. Okay. Now, this is comparison. Look, so if you are a middle school student or high school student, or even if you are an adult, you know English grammar, right? So in English grammar, we have noun, pronoun, adjective, then we have verb, and then adverb, preposition, conjunction, article, these kind of parts of speech, right? So just see, like noun, pronoun, adjective all come under ism. Okay. Adverb is also an ism. Okay. Slowly, carefully, quickly, all these types of words, these are ism in Arabic. Then harf is like preposition at, on, up, down. So to, from, all these are harf. These are, in Arabic, these are called harf jar. Another type of words are like conjunction, like harf ataf. And in English, we have article, a and the. But in Arabic, these are not considered parts of speech, or uh, it is replaced by al. In Arabic, you have al kitab, like al kitab. So al, or then, and most of the words in Arabic, they have an in sound at the end. So then that tanween tells us that the ism is singular. So uh, so that's how, like, we can compare the different types of words in English to the three types of words in Arabic. Okay, moving forward. Same, like in Arabic ism includes noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, and ideas. And Arabic word fail tells us action plus time. And harf, we just saw, like preposition are harf. There are conjunctions like and, or, then, if. So these are conjunctions. They are also harf. And there are so many types of harf. Inshallah, you will learn in other lessons. Okay. How many in ism? We just learned there are three types of words: ism, fail, and harf. In ism, there we saw that all nouns are ism, common noun, proper noun. Common noun ism nakra, proper noun ism marfa. And then there are pointing words like this, that, those, these. So these types of words are called ism ishara in Arabic, and they are ism. The same way, pronoun he, she, it, you, I, they, we, something like these kind of words. These are also ism, and they are called ism zamir. Adjective, the characteristic or the property of an ism, like not property. Adjective is like any attribute, quality, good or bad, uh, long, short. So all these types of adjectives, these are called ism sift. Then adverb, these are called zarf. Then the ideas or the name of an action is masdar. And another type of word is ism masdar. Masdar is to write. When you say to write is a masdar, and writing is ism masdar. So inshallah, we will learn this in detail. You don't have to be very specific about this, but just to have an idea that in ism there are different types of words, like common noun, proper noun. Then there are pointing words, ism ishara, pronouns, adjectives. So these are ism. Fail. This is we are just doing a quick recap what we learned in the first part of the this video, and we are doing a quick recap with elaboration. Fail, you just learned that fail is a word in Arabic that tells us action plus time. So basically it's a verb with a tense. Okay. Like wrote. When I say this word wrote tells us action is writing, but it happened in the past. Spoke, action is speaking, but it happened in the past. So both action plus time. Will write, the time is in future, right? Will speak, again, the time is in future. So all these words are fail in Arabic. Now harf. Same like huruf jar, prepositions are called huruf jar, in, on, up, down, from, to. The same way they are another type of huruf, and, or, then, besides. These are huruf ataf, right? So there are other types of huruf also. Inshallah, we'll learn when when we are going to learn more and more further down. So this was the lesson 1, in which you learned there are 3 types of words in Arabic: ism, fail, and harf. Okay, so this is exercise. Okay, what you need to do, you need to there are different words, and you need to identify which type of word it is. Okay, if it's an ism, then you are going to write I for ism, right? Or F for fail, and H for harf. So book is what? Book, name of a thing, right? So this is ism. Okay, democracy. Democracy is what? Is a idea, right? So ideas are ism. Nicely. Nicely is what? Nicely is describing an action. So this is a detail of an action. And in English, we can say that it's an adverb. So adverbs are regarded as ism in English. Okay. Zainab is also name of a person. So ism. Beautiful is quality, right? Quality means sift. Sift in Arabic. So sift is also adjective is also included in ism. So this is ism. Kittens, again ism. At, is it the name of a person or a pronoun, or what type of word is this? At. Does it make sense? Bus at the station. If you say bus at the station, then it makes sense. But if you say only at, then it doesn't make sense. So it means this is harf. Then laughing. Laughing telling you an action, right? But do you see the laughing tells the word laughing tells you anything about the time? No, it doesn't. So this laughing is also ism. If then a name of an action is there, but you don't see a mention of time, then this is ism. Okay. Over, above, obviously, again, this is preposition, so it doesn't make sense. Over the bed, if I say over the bed or over the hedge, then it makes sense, right? It makes sense. But if I say over, then it doesn't make sense. So it is a harf. Off, again, harf. Dawn, sunrise. Okay, sunrise is ism. From, again, from where? So it doesn't make sense. So this is harf. San Francisco city, ism. Fasted. So action, fasting, happened in the past. So this is fail. He goes, fail. Percy, name of a boy. So ism. Slept, again, action plus time. Time is in the past. So this is fail. Tiger, animal, name of an animal. So this is, oh, sorry, this. Quickly. Quickly is, again, the detail of an action. Detail of an action or adverb is also considered ism in Arabic. Okay. Then tiger, name of an animal. So it's what? Ism. Okay. And then nation is an ism. So that's how you are going to do the exercise. You can come up with your own examples if you want. You can have some examples of ism, and then fail, and then harf. Okay. Just to have an idea how you can apply this knowledge of 3 types of words on Quran. So this is Surah Ateen, chapter 95, and how you are going to identify whether the word is an ism or fail or harf. Okay. So let me Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismi is the combination of B plus ism. Okay, B and ism. Okay, so B is separate and ism means name. So B means with the name of, or in the name of. Okay, so B is with, the B is harf, and ism is name. So name of a name, right? So ism is ism. Allahi ismi jalala is name, proper name, right? So this is ism. Then Ar-Rahman, the most kind. So it's a quality. Quality or adjective are also ism. So this is ism. Ar-Rahim is also ism. What? Wow is separate. Ateen. Okay. Ateen is what? Ateen is the fig. Okay. So ateen is ism, is the name of a fruit. Zaitun, the name of a fruit or vegetable. Okay. So zaitun is also ism. Then tur sinin, tur is the mountain, and sinin is the name of that mountain. So tur sinin. And then we have has wow. Wow is separate. Wow is a word. Wow is sorry. Wow is separate word. Wow is harf. Okay, wow is harf. Haza means this. Haza means this. So this is pointing word. Ism ishara. So this is also an ism. Al baladi, the city. Okay. Al amin, the secure city. So secure is adjective quality, and balad, city, is ism. This is also ism, and the secure, which is adjective or sift, then this is ism. So that's how you are going to because the meaning of each word is there. Laqad, certainly, khalaqna, we created. So khalaqna is what? Khalaqna. So created. So this is fail. Excuse me. So that's how you are going to do the rest of the ayat, the rest of the ayat of Surah Atin. You can do on your own and then show me in the next class when we'll revise the homework, inshallah. So that's the end of lesson 1. Inshallah, we are going to see, we are going to meet in lesson 2 video. Let's I make dua before closing this video. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.